Unveiling Lecture Notes, a gateway to effective learning. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into a term that's ubiquitous in the realm of education: lecture notes. These are the silent mentors that accompany us through the twists and turns of learning. Whether you're a fresh-faced student or a seasoned learner, understanding the value of lecture notes can transform your educational journey. Let's unravel their meaning together. Lecture notes are the written or typed records that students make during a lecture. But they are more than just words on paper. They are a personal interpretation of the knowledge shared by the instructor. They serve as a reliable reference and a recapitulation of what was taught, often including key points, concepts, diagrams, and examples. Good lecture notes capture the essence of the lecture, making complex information digestible and easier to review. Taking lecture notes is a critical skill for academic success. It's not just about writing down what you hear. It's about actively listening and discerning the most significant information. Notes help reinforce learning, provide a basis for review, and can be invaluable for exam preparation. They act as a learning tool that can help clarify thoughts and solidify understanding. Effective note-taking is an art. It begins with being prepared and attentive. Use headings and bullet points to organize your thoughts. Listen for cues on what's important and make sure to capture those in your notes. Develop a system of abbreviation and symbols to save time. After the lecture, review and refine your notes while the information is still fresh. Lecture notes are most effective when used actively. Don't just read them. Interact with them. Highlight key areas, create flashcards for important terms, and try to summarize the content in your own words. Group study sessions can also be an excellent opportunity to compare notes and fill in any gaps. Thank you for joining me on this noteworthy adventure. Remember, good lecture notes are your allies in learning. They help you capture and retain the pearls of wisdom shared in lectures. So, the next time you're in class, cherish the process of taking notes. It's where learning begins. Keep exploring, and may your notes be the stepping stones to your success.